Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your PC. Run OpenRoman4 as administrator so it can write into protected folders. Next, get access to the Xbox Game Pass install. Take ownership of the Windows app's GTAV directory and grant your account full control. Once done, copy the x64 and update. RPF files plus your profile save to a safe backup folder on another drive. This avoids losing data when you later inject mods, and it prevents the store from blocking file operations. Now configure OpenRoman4 for the Windows Store build and enable edition selection. Make sure it recognizes the Xbox Game Pass executable. Create a local mods folder structure, mods/update/update, RPF, and install your replacements there rather than overriding originals. Then install ASI loader and script hook equivalents compatible with the Windows Store build using OpenRoman4 package installer, so scripts load without touching base files. Make sure mod files match game version numbers, since mismatches cause crashes. Check ASI and script versions before continuing. Finish by launching GTAV offline to confirm the mods load and the game stays stable. Observe loading times and the in-game console for errors. If the game crashes, exit and restore the original files from your backup, then verify each mod's compatibility with the exact game build. Also make sure Windows Store auto-updates are disabled while you test, because updates can overwrite patched files. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, revert to backups. Reapply one mod at a time, and examine OpenRoman4 logs to isolate the faulty package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.